Hello, Matt Floyd here, co-owner of Deschutes Construction. We're here at the Smith Rock State Park. We're preparing to mobilize the crane into the bottom of the canyon for the bridge replacement project down there. We'll be moving in today, and then Monday we'll close the existing bridge down and start demolishing and preparing for the new bridge. So the Smith Rock Bridge that's existing will be taken out here in just a couple of weeks. But before that happens, we'll close it down so that we can dig the footings for the new bridge, which sits directly behind the existing bridge. Once those footings are dug, we'll begin to drive the pin pile that goes into the ground that will support the footing for the new bridge. Then after the pile is driven, the new concrete footings and retaining walls will be poured. And then at that point, the new bridge will come in. We'll actually assemble the beams for the new bridge on the ground out in that lawn area that's right there next to the bridge area. And then after the new bridge is assembled, or the beams for it, the old bridge will come out in one piece with a crane, pull the old one out, and then put the new beams in place. And then once the beams are in place, then we can assemble the decking and the railing and then open it back up to the public. So it's about a 6-week process to get all that work done. But that's the idea, that's the process.
It's going really well. So I think a much smoother operation here than I had anticipated. So hopefully they'll be set up pretty soon.